Apple just unveiled the iPhone 17 and 17 Pro, and it's an absolute game changer.
This is not just an upgrade. It's a total tech revolution in your pocket.
On September 9th, 2025, Apple unleashed the future.
Wait, seriously? What's so crazy about them? Spill it.
Okay, get this. iPhone 17, 6.3-inch OLED display with ProMotion 120Hz and 3000 nits peak brightness. Powered by the A19 chip with N1 networking, dual 48-megapixel fusion rear cameras, and an 18-megapixel center stage front camera. 256GB base storage, starting at $799. Available in black, lavender, mist blue, sage, and white.
No way! And what about the Pro model?
The iPhone 17 Pro takes it further. Features a vapor chamber cooling system and ceramic shield 2 front and back. Equipped with 3 48-megapixel fusion cameras, main, ultra-wide, telephoto, offering up to 8 times optical zoom. Powered by the A19 Pro chip, 18-megapixel center stage front camera, 25-watt MagSafe charging, battery life up to 39 hours, and starting at $1,099.
Sounds like a solid upgrade. Definitely worth considering. What about you guys watching? Will you upgrade to iPhone 17 or Pro? Let us know in the comments.